Hey everybody, it's Ryan here. I was really proud. I taught myself from a really good tutorial, which I'll share with you in the link. The guy does a really good job of making sure you understand it. It took me about a dozen times to do it, but I've now figured out how to do this without issues. Yeah, so let me just mix it up a bit just to prove to you that I'm not cheating or whatever. Okay, so step one is we want to worry about the bottom or the white side. We want to have all the edge pieces lined up with their corresponding colors. So we can do that. We put that guy there, but make sure he's with the orange. Okay, let's run this guy up here. Oh, and he's luckily already with his blue. Really easy run on the bottom. So we look at the green. So just rotate the green, and it's not going to affect anything, and we just kind of rotate them up to the top. Same with this red, and rotate them around to the top. And there we go. Now what we got to do is worry about these corner pieces. So there's a corner piece already done, but it doesn't match up with those things there. So what we want to do is turn it upside down, and we want to find a corner piece. So let's take this guy here. It's got between orange and blue. So the corner between orange and blue here, so we're going to put him down there with this special move of 4. And just keep doing it until he's in place. There you go, so he's in place. So same thing with this is a green and red. So here, green and red. Over, down, over, up, down, over, up, down, over, over. So we go in now, up, down, over, over. Okay, last one to do. Oh no, we got this guy's in the wrong spot too, right? So this guy is orange and green. So he's got to go here. Okay, that's done. And this guy's red down. Alright, so now we have the bottom row done with the little matching sides there. Now what we want to do is move these, fill these pieces in. Right, that guy's already in the right spot, that guy's in the right spot, that's cool. But what we want to do, for example, is move this guy, green and orange. Or sorry, blue and orange. Alright, so it's blue and orange. So it's blue wants to go down here because that's the orange side. So to move him that way, right, so wants to go that way, we protect him by going that way. So kind of the opposite direction. And then because he's going to go here, we use that move on this hand. And then to put it back, you kind of go that, and there he is. Alright, so there's another piece. This has got, because don't worry about the yellows right now. So red and blue. So it's got to go on the red side, and want the blue to go down to here, right? Because blue's going to go there. So again, I want him to go that way, right? That way. So I protect him by going the opposite direction. Up, over, down, over, and then undo it. Up, over, down, over, and there we go. If you had wanted to move it that way, you would protect it by going that way, and then up, over, down, over, and then do it the other way. If there's a wrong piece there, just do that movement as if you're moving something there, and it'll get it out, and then you can put it back where it needs to go. Okay, so now I need to worry about 2 lines, the top yellow cross. And right now there's no edge pieces up there. So to do something about that, we have to first take the front piece, we're going to rotate it clockwise, and do that 4 movement. And then rotate it anti-clockwise, and there we go. Well, now we got sun. We have this little half cross. Move the half cross to the back corner, and do that same thing. So clockwise, up, over, down, over, and then put it back. Now we only have a line, but it's okay. That's where we want to be. Do that again. Up, and now we have across. But they're not in the right spot. So if I rotate them around, green's there, the red's there. Oh, they're all in the right spots. Well, I'm going to pretend that they weren't. So let's say you got them in where sometimes there's only one that lines up. You can probably rotate it around and find that more than one line up. Or the opposite sides line up or something. So there's one, there's two. So if you find out there's one or two, you just kind of hold one at the back, one on the right, and you do this movement where you go up, rotate, put it back down, but rotate it, and then go back up to get that white piece back, and go down. And now you're magically going to have all them lining up. So they all line up. Cool. Now we have to do see, are these corner pieces in the right spots? So this corner piece is wants to be between blue and red, but it's not. It's between blue and orange. This one's between green and orange. That one's right, so we know this one's right. This one's not right. That one's not right. So this one is in the right space. We just want to be able to move it around because it's got green and orange, green and orange. So what this one held here on the right, we're going to do this move where you go over, up, over, up, over, down, over, down. Now, are they all in the right spots? Green and red. That's already looking good. That's looking good. That's in the right spot. So these two are in the right spot. These two are already finished. But we not only have to rotate these guys around, and we don't have to pop them off. But now we're going to do like we did with the whites corners. Put it upside down and do this special movement. So I like to do is start with, so you're never doing is rotating this bottom piece around a bunch of times this way. So I like to start with the first one because the next one will be here. So if I get this one done, then I can rotate it right to do the next one. So I'll start with this one versus do this one or do this one and then have to rotate backwards or whatever. I find always working this one is better. So we want to do this guy, put the yellow down here. So we're going to do that 4 movements. And make sure you do all 4 movements or you'll screw it up. I always, once you put it down there, don't forget to do that top move back up. I always screw that up. So now he's on the bottom. That's right. Now we're just going to move to the bottom thing. And we're going to do the same thing to put the yellow on the bottom. Alright, now he's on the bottom. And there's your solved cube. With explanation in about 8 minutes. Yeah, that was so much fun. So much fun. Thanks, everybody.